Good evening, guys. Good evening. I am braiding and banding my hair because I will be getting it retightened tomorrow. And I just decided to just turn on my camera and spend some time with you. I had a good day. At the end of this clip of me braiding and banding my hair, I will share with you some of my day. But I wanted to stop in and say thank you for all the support I've been receiving lately. I've gotten a few new subscribers, and I want to say thank you to all of you. I want you to continue to like, share, comment on my videos. You know I love the interaction a lot. A lot. I look forward to going for my retightening. I want you to keep watching. If you have been watching this video as I braid and band my hair and you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. Click that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you will know every time I upload a video. Now keep watching so you can see a little bit about my day. Enjoy your evening. Good afternoon. I just have to take my glasses off. I was outside in the rain. I went out to the post office to take a package to be delivered through Poshmark. Then I had to go pick up some shoes from the shoe shop. I try to buy very good leather shoes, and when the heel or the tip comes off, then I don't feel so bad taking it to shoe repair. As I was driving past the parking lot going to the shoe repair, you guys, I saw a food truck. I ordered something, and right now that's why I'm talking to you in my car, because I'm waiting on my order. So that's the food truck. It's called 3 Cooks and AMiricle. So I ordered the mild wings, and I also ordered some fried zucchini. For my husband, I ordered the crab boil because he just said a couple of days ago it's time now for some crabs. I don't feel like cooking. That's going to be dinner. It is raining, guys, and I am not a fan of rain, but I am doing this because I don't want to cook. And the food truck and the wings on the food truck look good, so we're going to see how it tastes. Guys, so the wait was not long. He told me to give him a call back once I taste it and tell him what I think, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. The fried zucchini is really tasty. What I do like about the fried zucchini is that it's not salty. I am going to take a quick bite of the wing. The wing is tender. It has so much flavor. What I don't like sometimes about wings is this is what happens when you talk and eat at the same time. Don't talk while you're chewing your food. This looks good. I'm gonna try one of my husband's shrimp. But that's potato. The shrimp is deveined. Thank you. Everything's good, guys. Everything is good. I figured if the shrimp is good, the crabs are good. And this up, and I'm getting ready to eat my fried zucchini and my wings. And it has some dressings, of course, that I can dip it in. Do not talk while you are trying to eat. All right, guys, I just want you to know that I am finished with my food except for 2 zucchinis left. This food was so good. I tried dipping my zucchini in the ranch, and that was good, but I like it better without sauce. I'm not big on sauce. I like to be able to taste my food and know what it is, and this food was good. I found it necessary to come back and tell you about the food because I was trying to gulp down a piece of the wing, and I did get mild, and so even that spice hit my throat unexpectedly, and so I felt like I needed to come back and tell you how the food really was, and this was really good. If I like something, my family knows if I really like the food, I'd eat all of my food before I take a drink, and I have not had anything to drink yet. When I got my food today, the young man told me to go ahead and get a drink out of the cooler outside of the truck. And they had a lot of different things that you could get, but I got water. I enjoyed the 1 shrimp that I took out of my husband's food. And I will tell you more about what he thinks about the food later. Everything was flavorful. I am going to publish this video. Hopefully I can tag the 3 cooks and AMiricle so that they will see this review and know that I enjoyed the food. When I picked up my food, he immediately told me to call back and let him know how it is. I've never been to their truck before, and I made that known to them from the very beginning. I was treated well, and they didn't know that I would be doing a review, but it seems to me it's important to them that their customers are pleased. Yes, I will be back with you later. Just as I stopped this recording, my husband came home. I was going to get in the shower and shampoo my hair, but now we have somewhere to go. It's just to run an errand and pick up something, so I want you to know that I'm going to take my hair and this is what I'm going to do. And I will finish braiding and banding when I get back. This is it. Just because I refuse to start over.